Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Xender app from Google Play Store. If you are encountering a challenge while trying to install this app, don't worry, there are a few steps you can just follow and fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install this file sharing app, just go to Google Play Store. So I'm here on my Play Store, and you want to make sure that you are logged in before you try to download and install this app from Play Store. However, if you are already logged in but unable to download the app, then go to your profile icon on top here and then scroll down to settings, and this is settings, and from this look for this option called network preferences. Now for this tutorial I'm on a Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Here you want to look for app download preference and tap on it. Currently you can see it is set to over Wi-Fi only. Change this to over any network. This will ensure you can download and install apps via any network or via the current network you are connected to. To save the changes, tap on OK, and now go ahead, try and install your app. However, if this is still not possible, then the problem might be with Google Play Store app itself. For that, you need to access Google Play Store app info page, and you can do so through settings or just by long pressing on Play Store app, and you should see this app info option or the name of the app or even a settings gear here. If you see any of this, just tap on it to access Google Play Store app info page. Here you want to first force stop this app, and then this will ensure that all background activities that might be hindering download of apps are stopped. Then go to clear data here and then choose clear cache. So this will clear all the cache or the trash that might be affecting performance of Google Play Store. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone and then open Google Play Store. And now it's time to search for our app. So I'll go to search and then enter Xender. If I search for my app, here we have it, Xender quick share transfer. I'll try to install, and now look at that, I'm able to download and install this app. However, at this point, if you can't still download and install the app, then you might want to check if you have enough space on your smartphone. If you don't, free up space by deleting unwanted or unnecessary apps or files on your smartphone to create more space. So that's how you can fix can't install Xender file sharing app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.